Hello and welcome to the myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be looking at how to estimate the area of irregular shapes. Now I'm sure in the past you've had lots of practice on calculating the area, so the space inside a normal shape, a square, rectangle, for example. But obviously, as we can see here, we have sort of a squiggly shape, so it's what we call irregular. And what we need to do is estimate, and that is the key word here. We're not looking to calculate it exactly, it's just an estimation. So it's a guideline, an approximation. So it's the approximate answer of how many squares or whole squares there are inside this shape. So let's have a look. Now the first thing we need to do is calculate how many full squares we have. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work our way along and just count up the whole squares. Now the reason why I am putting in numbers is so I know exactly which squares I've already counted, but also I won't lose count of how many I've actually counted. So it actually helps us in two different ways. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, if we work our way around the outside of these whole squares, we can start to piece those different little small parts together to make a whole square. So down here, we can pretty much say that that's a whole square. Now, and this one here, we are only estimating, don't forget. This one here, 31, and we're missing this very small piece here, which we could actually add this part here. Now, it's too small to actually write the number in, so we'll just cross it out there. But that's 31 squares so far. Now, let's have a little look. So here we have 32, and we're missing this part. So if we try and find a similar size part that's included inside the shape, how about this one here? And we can put those together to make the 32 squares so far. Now, if we come up the side, these are much smaller. I mean, this one here is really small, so we don't need to worry too much about that one. But if we look up here, I think if I take this one and this one and possibly this one here, we could make a whole square. So that would be 33 up to here. And then if I place this one and this one, and that's probably too big, the one above it, so let's go for this one here. We could say that makes 34. Then I'm going to piece this one and these. Let's have a little look. Yeah, I would say that these two as well. That makes 35. And we're going to come down this left hand side to finish off. Let's have a look. So if we place this one and this one to make 36, these three to make 37, and then finally we can probably just to make about half, or maybe a full one here. It isn't only an estimation, don't forget, to make that final whole or estimated full square to make 38 squares. So what I could say on this is we have an area of approximately 38 squares. Have a practice with the other days, and don't forget, it's only an estimation. You're not looking to be exact, but always take care and try and be as accurate as you possibly can. Okay, thanks very much for listening. Take care, and I'll speak to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths video tutorial channel on YouTube. Thank you.